Hello and welcome to the step-by-step video on how to install a Samsung built-in microwave. Before starting your installation, please make sure you read the installation instructions thoroughly. Check the installation guide to ensure that you have the correct tools required. Unpack the microwave and ensure that suitable protection is available to protect the microwave and the kitchen surfaces. The microwave should only be installed by a suitably competent person. Make sure that all parts and accessories are supplied as per the installation guide. Before installing the microwave, ensure there is suitable ventilation as detailed in the installation guide. On the panel to the left of the door, take the fixing guide and attach it to the side of the microwave using the screws provided. Offer the microwave up to the housing. Check the front bezel aligns correctly with the doors of neighbouring cabinets with a minimum gap of 3 mm. Determine if height adjustment is required and measure accordingly. Remove the microwave and place it on its back, ensuring that there is protection underneath. Adjust the feet to the required measurement. You can now carefully insert the microwave into the cabinet. Open the microwave door and on the left-hand side there will be 2 locating holes. Drill 2 pilot holes and fix using the screws provided. Please note, do not use an electric screwdriver to fasten the screws or fixings into the kitchen cabinet. Your installation is now complete. Please check the user manual for any additional steps that may be required to set up and commission the microwave. Place a cup filled with water in the center of the turntable and close the door. Check the lamp operation and turntable operation. At the end of the installation, please ensure that the user manual is given to the customer, where more information regarding the features, safety and usage tips can be found. More support and product information can be found at samsung.com.